Is that a stain? The zipper's stuck. Oh no. I don't think I can unzip this. That just went flying. Hi, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and today we are going to be opening this package that I have been waiting for since October. For the record, it is now June. I don't want to do the math on how long that's been, but technically I'm not too mad about it since this was like a Kickstarter. So this is the cow eat-a bag that Pwuffy, did I pronounce that right? Pwuffy shop? Pwuffy shop. This shop is super well known for its Macabun plushes as well, which are like macaroons, but they look like bunnies. So you've probably seen it before on TikTok, and the shop released these really cute eat-a bags and they were a Kickstarter, and I joined the Kickstarter back in October. And I actually remember this vividly because I just fell in love with this bag. I'd never used Kickstarter before. I had no idea what I was doing. And I was also visiting Ireland, and it was like right before Halloween, so I was literally like on a ghost tour, and I set like 50 alarms to go off right as the Kickstarter was released so I could hop on it. So I'm on this like ghost tour in Dublin, and my alarm goes off, and I'm like, oh no, oh no, no, no. Like on my phone trying to listen to the stories and not be rude, but also sign up for this bag. And you know what? I did it. It's arrived many months later, and I'm pretty happy about that. I thought Kickstarter was honestly really cool, and it was very easy to figure out how to use, and I am someone who is stupid. I'm just excited it's here. I don't even remember what color I got. All I remember is I think it was like $54, but when I went back to check how much money I pledged, I don't remember. Let's just do it. Let's just open this bad boy up. I see brown. I see pink. Here he is. Oh, there's some stuff in here as well. Okay. Did I get a pin? I see a pin in here, and I genuinely don't remember if I got a pin, but it's honestly adorable. It's really reflective. It's just like, I don't know, maybe an inch-and-a-half tall-ish, and it's double back too with little hearts on the back. I like when heavier pens have like the two backings on them. And it says, your cow has arrived, whether you plan to wear this as a purse or a backpack or even display it on your shelf. I hope you love your fruit cow as much as I loved designing it. There's a discount code, which I don't think I'm supposed to share with people, but there's a discount code on it. So let's do it. Let's do this bad boy. Oh my god, he's in a dust bag. This is so nice that he comes in his own little dust bag. It's not one of the like really nice ones when you buy something from like Coach or like mass prestige brands with like the little ties. It's just a very simple, what you might get if you order like a nice pair of shoes kind of dust bags. Oh, he is so cute. We have like the cow face. His face is not like stitched on, if that makes sense. It looks like it's kind of like printed on. I'm pretty sure it's pleather, and pleather can peel, so you just have to make sure that you take really good care of them. Make sure you don't store them in any place that's like too humid because they do peel. He's so cute. He has little horns that are sticking out. The zipper pulls are little strawberries with gold detailing. And the first zipper is into the eat-a pouch. That's just removable and you can poke your pins through it. There's little fuzzies on this. Is that a stain? I can't tell if that's a fuzzy or a stain on it, but it's not coming out, so I think it's a little stain on it. There's also some loose threads on the little pin back, and you can see he's a little warped in shape. So I might need to kind of flatten him out and put him under some books or something. I don't really know what material this is, but it feels kind of plasticky, so I'm not gonna put it under an iron to flatten it out. Yeah, I think this is a little stain because it's not coming out. So we're gonna zip him back in. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it'd be because it's kind of advertised as like a purse backpack, so I thought it would be a little bit taller. I don't remember if the size was listed, but I also just have no sense of like size, like relative size. If you tell me something's like, you know, 12 inches tall, no idea how big that is. So Okay, we're opening up the main pouch, which is stuck. There we go. And there is a giant air pillow in it. That makes sense, so it keeps its shape. And inside we have a whole bunch of straps in here. A ton of straps. We have 3 different ones. 2 look like they are smaller in size, 1 looks like it's bigger. So I'm assuming the bigger one is so you can wear it as a purse, and then the 2 shorter ones are so you can wear it as a backpack. They are white with some gold detailing and little clips on both ends, and they look like they are also adjustable from this little thingamabob. I forget what these are called. Inside this main pouch, it is lined with kind of this white fabric, and there are 2 pockets in the front. They are both the same size. It looks like probably a good size to put maybe lipsticks in. Your phone definitely will not fit in one of these pouches. Let's see. No, it is slightly, like half an inch too small to fit an iPhone in. You probably can't fit like any powders or a little compact mirror. It's quite small, but there is a zippered pouch on the back, and this one is a little bit bigger. The zipper's stuck. Oh no. I don't think I can unzip this. It's like, the zipper is like, there we go. The zipper was like bent out of place. Like, you have the little zipper and then the little pool, and the pool is like bent down and like stuck in the fabric. This is decent size. Again, I don't think my phone's gonna fit in here. No, it doesn't. It does not fit into the zippered pocket, so you'd have to just put it in the main pocket, which I personally don't like doing because I don't want anything to like scratch up against it. Like if you put your keys in your phone, I don't want my phone to get scratched. It's okay though. It's the life that I've chosen. Oh, I just realized there's a little ring on the cow's like little collar choker thing. So I think that's not so you can like clip it to a bag, but rather so you can attach like a keychain or something of your choice in there. And there is also a zipper on the back. This one seems to be the biggest one. I'm wondering if... Oh, whoa, okay. Haha! Phone fits in this one, alright. That's fantastic. And it also has like embossed into it the shop name, which is really awesome. I actually like this a lot more than when shops do the little tags that stick out. I don't like those tags, so this is actually perfect. I like this stamp a lot more. And you know me, I love my animal backpack, so we're gonna turn him into a backpack really quick, and then that'll be it. That'll be our little review. Okay, these are very wrinkled. Holy crap. I'm sure they will regain their shape once they're, you know, worn around the house. My hands aren't really working today, so we're gonna see how easy it is for someone who doesn't have functional hands to clip on. Not even a joke, like my hands don't work sometimes. Okay, that was actually super easy. Haha! And now for part 2. That just went flying. We're going to clip him. Ooh, very easy. Did I do it backwards? Wait, did I do this one backwards? No, they just rotate. Okay, I'm good. I didn't realize the little clips rotated. Okay, now we're gonna get this guy. Come on, please. Haha. Holy crap, my wrist cuff just got stuck to the zipper. Okay, we're okay. It came out easy. We're gonna see how this is without adjusting the straps first, and then we're just gonna adjust it while it's on, and whoo, actually this might be a good length for me. And the detailing actually matches this JSK really nicely, although the little thingies are so awkward right now. I'm so tempted to like pull down on these to keep them straight. Oh my god. How does it look? Is he cute? Is he adorable? Is he a little cutie man? Can you see him? I can't wait. You guys will have to help me figure out what pins to put in him, because my pins normally will go on like hats or on my cardigans or something like that. So it might be a little bit of a challenge figuring out what guy I should put in him. But I think this man, or should I put this man here? That's all. Thank you so much for joining me today and checking out this small business. I've been trying to buy a lot more like accessories and things from small businesses or from thrifting them. So if you have any small businesses, I am looking for more small businesses that sell wrist cuffs for starters, and also more Lolita jewelry. Like, I need some shorter ones that are cute. And also classic too. I have a few classic necklaces, but I need more sweet jewelry mainly. And yeah, so let me know if there are any small businesses that you think I should check out, because I would absolutely love to. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your favorite non-binary Lolita, and I will see you next time around. Goodbye.